This video explains what maximize means. In simple terms, to maximize means to expand a window so it fills the available screen. The application and file remain open. Maximize exists because users often need more space to see their work clearly. It allows the window to use the full screen without changing the content inside it. Maximizing is not the same as closing a window. It is not the same as manually resizing the window, and it is not the same as zooming in on content. Maximizing changes the window size, not the content itself, and makes the window fill the screen. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when a window expands to full size. You usually see maximize used on application windows such as Word, Excel, or a web browser. It is activated using the Maximize button in the title bar, and it affects only the selected window. This diagram organizes the idea of maximize. Use it as a reference if needed. When a window expands to fill the screen without changing its content, that is maximize.